Okay, some people have been wondering, how do you install these parking fenders? These are my 3D parking fenders, but this one is actually made out of polycarbonate. So if you buy a new MSX from eWheels, you get one of these with your wheel. And people are wondering how to put them on. This is how I do it. I usually lay my wheel down on the ground. I'm on a towel now on the carpet, so I don't scratch it up any worse than it already is, because it does have a few battle bruises. What you do is you take these little tabs on the top here and you get them started up into the groove up here, and then you get one of these into one side and then you press down on the other side to get it in. So I'm going to start with the two up here and the one down below here. I'm going to have that one in and these two in, and then I'm going to push right here really hard with my thumbs, and it is really hard. It's designed to be very tight so it doesn't fall off while you ride. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, I'm struggling, so that's what's going to happen when you do it. And there it clipped in. And then you slide it all the way up to the top of the wheel, and that's it. It's on. Now, I've got an MSX fender on my M Super V3. It's not an MSX, so it doesn't quite fit exactly right, but it does fit. So that's it. That's how you put them on. And then same thing, taking them off, you'll press really hard right here, push down, pull out away from the wheel. This side will come off, and then you can just kind of slide it out of there. All right, that's it.